Hey, this is a quick demo of MaskeR-Aid. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some video up on the screen. So imagine that's my stage, and I got some cool boxes up there, and I want the video to show up just on the boxes. So what I do is down here, I've got a little icon for my app called MaskeR-Aid. I launch it, and sure enough, there's the program right there. I hit the on button, and that's going to throw a black graphic right over the top of that, right? And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my mouse right over here to the boxes, and I'm going to right click to start, and I just draw right on my boxes. So no matter what's on my stage, if it's the environment or the architecture that's already there, or if it's some stage props, wherever you want your video to show up, I can just cut out that black graphic we threw up there and just add it to exactly the spots I want to. So I'm just going to do something real quick here so you can kind of see the functionality. It does some pretty neat things, actually. As you can see, it draws really quick and easy. I'm just left clicking, and then when I get to where I want to finish it, I've just been left clicking. I do a right click, and that finishes that. So then that's my first object up there, and I can have as many objects as I want to. If I want to draw another shape over here, through my mouse over there, I just right click on that, and that gets me started. I left click to add points, left click to add a point, right click to end it. Put another one right over here, right click to start, left click, right click to end it. Some pretty neat stuff. Now if I want to go back through and clean this up, I can come right into here where it says nudge points, and if I select show point handlers, I can just select that, and so then when I come up onto the stage, when I click on it, you can see these little point handlers all the way around, and I just have to click on one of those and I can drag it and put it exactly where I need it to be. So it's got some neat features. What I can also do is, if sometimes when you're in one of these big stages, as the operator of the computer, I can't necessarily see all the architecture, so I can have someone else working with me that says, oh, hey, point number 20 needs to go up. So I can just literally, you can see all the different, every single point's got its own number on it, and I can just have them call out the different numbers to me, and instead of even have to click it back here on this screen, I've got all the different points listed out, so I can literally just click on number 19. I can say, oh, 19, and then he can say, oh, that needs to go up and to the right. And as you can see up on the screen, that little green dot, as I click on that, is just bouncing over there, so I can get pixel perfect accuracy with that. What I can also do is, once I've dialed it in completely, if I want to add a point, I can just add a point, click, click, right click to finish, and I can even say in those boxes, I can come over here and I can say make that one black, and up on the screen you can see that is now an all black section. So I can kind of mix and match those, and I can add as many of these as I need to. I can just keep adding them. Left click, right click to finish, selected, come over here to the MaskeR-Aid tool and say I want to make that black. So then once you have your mask exactly how you want it, it's all dialed in right where you want it, all you have to do is come down here to the export PNG button. You click on export PNG, and that makes a transparent PNG that you can then load into ProPresenter or any other tools that have a masking layer or an overlay layer, and that will mask out any video they put on top of this. So MaskeR-Aid is a fantastic tool for creating masks, which are essentially just a flat graphic that will hide video back behind it. Thanks.